Last night I had a problem with my computer, a terrible problem with my computer. It wouldn't turn on. It froze me out of everything. I thought I'd been hacked because it said my sound thing had turned off. My actual the phono jack of my headphone has snapped inside the phono jack hole, or the socket, whatever you want to call it, and there was so many problems suddenly happened. It suddenly locked me out of the computer. So I prayed about it, and the computer now has consequently been healed. I mean, I'm not surprised by that, but I expect you are, because I understand that my God is the God of the impossibles. He takes glory in doing, or in miracles. He takes glory in miracles. So anything impossible, he takes glory in doing that. So my computer was utterly destroyed last night, but it is absolutely fixed. In fact, it's better and running better than it ever has done today. So praise God. That's just a miracle.